A friend came to me last week frustrated because their brand new Windows PC was packed full of junk apps, eating up all the resources in the background. I'll show you how to delete the bloatware in minutes, and stay with me, because at the end I'll show you my secret weapon that wipes out all the hidden junk Microsoft doesn't even want to show you. Step 1. Start with the obvious junk. Anything on the screen you don't want, just simply right-click it, uninstall. Uninstall again. That's gone. Go to the top right-hand corner, click on All. Scroll down this list for anything you don't want. Right-click and uninstall. Uninstall. Anything you don't want, just remove it. Scroll down this A to Z list for anything you don't want. You simply right-click it and uninstall it. That's layer 1 gone. Stay with me for my secret weapon. Hit subscribe now so you don't miss the next Windows fix. Step 2. Remove stubborn apps. Sometimes when you go to uninstall an app, it won't go. Doesn't matter what you do, you can't remove it. The way to get around that one is click on Start. Type in PowerShell. Come across here, Run as Administrator. Wait for this box to bubble. I'll leave this down in the description below so you can copy and paste. Here's the link to Chris Titus's awesome tool. Press Enter. Wait for it to load. You'll see this pop up. Don't get scared by this. What we're focusing on, click on Get Installed. Wait for a few seconds. It will highlight all the ones you can remove. So click on the app. Right click. Click on the bin icon. So, are you sure? Yes. It's going. Just like that, it's gone. It's also asking, do you want to remove the configuration files? Take that, uninstall. It's working in the background. There you go. That one's gone. While you're here, I'll give you a bonus tip. So while we're here, go across to tweaks. Click on standard tweaks. Kills a ton of background Windows spam. You're welcome for the bonus tip. Click on Run Tweaks. You see a little window in the back here if I move this out of the way. It's running in the background. It'll let you know when it's finished. I'll speed this up for you. It'll start to run the disk cleanup. That's now finished. Told you that secret weapon was worth it. Here's the full cleanup in quick steps. Step 1. Uninstall obvious junk. Step 2. Kill the stubborn apps with the tool. Step 3. Bonus treat to stop Windows spam. Make your PCs faster, cleaner and more private. If you want full protection on top of this, I've linked to VPN and security tools I trust below. I'll catch you in the next one.